What year is this? 98? So, and what'd you have it stretched to?
I got it stretched out to a
318.
318? Yep.
And that.
I ain't as cool as you.
No, this motherfucker looking good, man. What year is that trailer, that dry van?
It's an 05.
05? That's 05?
05.
Man, that looks really good for 05.
I got it painted back in January.
That's a nice looking trailer for 05.
I got it out of Miami.
Yeah, that's where you're gonna get good ones from. Look at that. Yeah. Boys and girls. These classic dudes is trying to stand up out here. I love it. Yeah. Woo. That's nice. That's nice. Yeah. Oh, okay. What motor is in there?
207.
207? Yeah. That's what I figured when I heard it started up, but sometimes you can be wrong.
Sometimes starting up.
No, I love it. On mine, that's the wheel. Yeah. That's the wheel. Let's go back here and look at this frame real quick. Look at this frame real quick. Yeah, look at all that frame. Oh, I like the lights, some glass. Okay. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That's a nice little setup. I've always loved these Freightliner wheels, and I've always wanted somebody to do them right on a truck. And he did it right on the truck. It's finally nice to see somebody did it right. Matter of fact, let's do this. Oh yeah, let's get some light on the subject. I love those wheels. Always have. All lit up, got the glass on the side here too. No, it's my buddies over here. So it's getting a little moisture or fluid on my wheels. And so let me see what's going on with this thing. It just was, you know, you can see a little bit of it right there. And so let me take a look. The gasket's all brand new back here. And I'm like, man, it doesn't feel broken or anything or worn out. And I just had this replaced. So I grabbed some tools to check the lug nuts, and I mean, barely put any force on it. That one I think I already did. This one, I mean, I'm barely doing anything. I'm just snugging them up. So wheels polished today, but I couldn't do that with oil seeping out. So I think we got it figured out. Well, it ain't trucking if it ain't no fun, right? Got to have fun. Driving down the highway, I start feeling this vibration. I'm like, man, what the hell? I ain't got no weight on the truck, so I'm like, you know, I couldn't have broke nothing mechanical. Something ain't right. Man, so I finally get to this truck stop, have a chance to get a look at it. Okay, I see you. T600, I like it. Get a chance to look at it, and ain't that about a biznatch? The tire I just had put on, gone. Just like that. Just like that. Boof. Just put this thing on. Yep, that's trucking, y'all. Oh well, somebody's supposed to be on their way, said they'll be here in about an hour. Back to bed we go, right? You can call me lazy. Instead of trying to back into a tight dock, just have them put it off to the side in the back. Because I'm lazy. I don't feel like working my way into this little dock, 2 pallets. It's gonna take more time to do that than to just throw these on right here. When I get to my next stop, push them up. That's all I'll do. Talent right here. Woo-wee. Woo-wee. Look what we got here, boys. Aero truck standing up. Look at what we got here, boys. Stacks off the back. Look at the chrome pieces. Lights. Got the shroud on the lights. I feel you. I feel you. I gotta see how those stacks look out up the front. Got the back panel there. But when I was walking across the parking lot, you could see his back panel. Got a chicken on there. Yeah, man. He out of there. I was gonna say he out of Maine, but if you know anything about this game, he's probably not out of Maine. I want to see how I've always wanted to do what he's got with the stacks on one of my aero trucks. See how they stick out off the top, see if you can notice them out the front. If you can do that, then it look right. Oh yeah, they get that, they peak right out the top. I like that. Yeah, I bet he lights up real good at night. Look at that stance, y'all. Yeah, that's a nice unit. Talk about an oopsie. This just happened. I don't know why people aren't going by instead of just sitting there like gonna cause another accident on the freeway. Like, go by. Don't understand this. People, if there's ever an accident on the freeway, don't block up the whole freeway being nosy. Get going, get out of the way, because it's not about the cars in front of you, it's about stuff that's behind you, because now we're gonna have there's gonna be a pileup behind us, because it was crazy trying to stop to when this just happened. You got a fully loaded truck and you're doing 70 miles an hour and everybody slams on their brakes. It's not a good thing. We got a fire guy and his flip-flops about to go help, so that's nice. But being on the road, in the middle of the road when something like this happens, because it's just dangerous. You want to help and be nosy, do like these people, pull over to the right and get off the freeway. Because, you know, we've seen those videos of people getting rear-ended, you know, doing 70 miles an hour. I don't know which side of the road they were on when this happened, but I mean, this literally just happened right in front of me, and everybody's slamming. Oh, looks like they came across from the other side. Good at all. Ooh, wait a minute. Grease. Oh, God. Window 30 as hell. Like a big ass intersection. 6-way intersection. God, go. Nice and quiet. Trucks everywhere. All over the place. Not gonna lie. Kind of missed the produce shuffle. Took a little break from doing the produce shuffling. I love it. I love it. Kind of miss it. We might be doing some more shuffling for a little bit, 'cause I kind of miss it. So, yeah.